Hello everyone, today I am reviewing this BLACK+DECKER 12 volts max drill and home toolkit. What I love about this product is it offers you a high power 12 volt lightweight drill that you can use in many different settings. This tool is lightweight but it is strong. Here, I'll show you. This set comes with useful tools besides the power drill. Here you have different types of bits, a hammer, a tape measure, an adjustable wrench, a blade, pliers, and it even comes with a handy storage bag. The length of the measuring tape is 3 meters or 10 feet. And the good thing about this product is it gives you bang for your buck. For less than $100, it offers you a decent home toolkit. It makes assembling, let's say, IKEA furniture, fixing things easier. You can also install a new doorknob with this set. This product also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, so I highly recommend this product. It's always good to have a decent set of tools in your house in case something breaks. Thank you.